Ever wonder, what does it take to transform a brilliant idea into a thriving small business? It requires passion, resilience, strategic planning, and a step-by-step approach. So brace yourselves as we dive into the intriguing world of entrepreneurship. First up, the inception stage, where the most crucial component is your business idea. It's the seed that has the potential to grow into a fruitful tree. Remember, a unique, innovative idea that solves a problem or fills a market gap has a better chance of success. After you've crystallized your idea, the next step is to conduct market research. Understand your customers, competitors, and the overall industry landscape. It's like getting a map before you embark on an adventurous journey. You wouldn't want to get lost in the wilderness of the business world, would you? Once you've gathered all the necessary information, it's time to pen down your business plan. Consider it as the blueprint of your entrepreneurial dream. This document should detail your business goals, strategies for achieving them, potential problems and solutions, and the structure of your business. Next on the list is funding. Starting a business might require some financial backing. Determine how much money you need to start and run your business until it becomes profitable. You might tap into personal savings, seek funds from friends and family, or consider bank loans and investors. After securing funds, proceed to the legalities. Decide on a business structure, register your business name, and get the necessary licenses and permits. It might sound tedious, but it's like setting the foundation of your house. It needs to be strong and legal. Now, it's time to assemble your team. Whether you're a one-man army or you need a group of talented individuals, make sure everyone shares your vision and is ready to give their best. With everything in place, you are now ready to establish your brand and market your business. Create a compelling brand identity, build an online presence, and use the power of social media to reach your target audience. And finally, open your doors for business. Remember, this is just the beginning. The journey of entrepreneurship is filled with challenges and rewards. Stay patient, persistent, and open to learning and adapting. Starting a small business might seem like climbing Mount Everest, but with the right steps, a robust plan, and a dash of courage, you are well on your way to reaching the summit. So, gear up, future entrepreneurs. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. And always remember to come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.